woman that you approach will love you. Now, gentlemen, there are a lot of women who are looking for love. I mean, wouldn't you like to be the one who wins her heart? In this video, I am going to share with you some of the best practices to getting a woman's number. Hi, my name is Kiana, and I'm the founder of Brick House Dating. Welcome to the Brick House Dating's BHG Love Zone. Here is where we're going to be discussing relationships on the brinks, single seeking a partner, what you should do and what you should not do. Now, please, as always, before I begin, make sure you like this video, share it, and hit the notification bell because that will mean a lot to me. It is so motivating. Now, it's not hard to put a smile on a woman's face. In fact, gentlemen, that is one of the keys to enter into her most prized possession, and that is her heart. Now, what you want to do is definitely have a good sense of humor, because having a good sense of humor is always a winner. Making a woman laugh during the approach will allow her to open right up and hear you out. Women are well known for being emotional creatures, and creating an emotional connection with a woman is another great practice. For example, let her know that you're looking for something real, like a serious relationship, because women are prone to men who are seeking a relationship. If you use this example, this will give her a vision of a great future for the both of you. Also, gentlemen, another great practice to getting her number is a high priority. It's a very high one. You must compliment the woman. That should be used as you're walking up to her. That way, you can capture her attention. The scan. Women have a little thing that they like to do when you first approach them. I call it the scan. And how the scan works is an amazing tool that comes from her eye and shoots right up into the brain. And what she sees first before you can even open up your mouth is your appearance. A woman will check it out before you can even see it. The way you keep yourself plays a role in how you two will be seen together in the future. Last but not least, gentlemen, be gentle. You should always be gentle during your approach and never aggressive. Being too aggressive can be a scary thing for a woman, and you'll scare her right away. Now, although women are attracted to many other things, gentlemen, what I will say is using this guide will give you more chances at getting her number. Trust me. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like this video, share it, and hit that notification bell. Thank you. See you later. Until next time. Bye.